Some of the content might not be verified, so please treat it as such. Welcome to Mkosi.com. Holy 10 has been off the grid, as some would say. He has not been posting a lot. Many people have been asking themselves where Holy 10 is, and people have been posting, particularly on TikTok, using his sounds, and they are calling for Holy 10 to come back. And many people are taking to his wife's comment section, his wife Kimberly Richards' comment section, and they are asking for Holy 10. Some are even apologizing for some of the comments which they made about Holy 10, and they are saying that they really miss Holy 10. They are saying that they miss the leader of the youth, and many people are speculating as to where Holy 10 is, and they are really asking for Holy 10 to come back, or to at least release a song. Some are saying that he will come back and release an album, and some are even blaming his fans who didn't show up for him. Well, what do you think about this? I want to know what you think about this. Please do not forget to click on that subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video with your friends.